All right. So in packaging your object, for a virtual object or a virtual person, it's going to go through the same process here to where you are going to select the platform that you want to package for. So if I hit all, you will see that it will package for, in my case, desktop, iOS, Android, WebGL, and Universal Windows Platform. And by hitting this button, it will begin this process. Now this process takes time. What it's going to do initially is it's going to package the object for every platform you have selected, and then switch platforms, and then package it again using that export process. This does take more time the more objects you have within your folder, which is why I recommend once you are done with this process, deleting anything you are not utilizing so that it takes as little time as possible so it is only packaging the project or switching the texture formats and files to match that of whatever platform and whatever object it is that you are specifically targeting, rather than doing everything that is inside of your folder. As this happens, you will see a creation of logs. Now, as long as the logs are white, it is letting you know that nothing happened, everything was fine. If there is a yellow log, you are going, or a red one, which did not occur for me, you will need to look into it and possibly report it to the to any developer to understand what in the world went wrong. But in my case here, I can see that it began packaging and it was doing so for all VOs. So it then went through the process for on Android, on desktop, on iOS, and eventually I got the all clear saying that it packaged for all of my platforms. So with that, I'm going to delete my logs and I'm able to move forward.